That's mine.
Oh my god. Hey everybody, Nicholas here, and welcome to the vlog. Today, I'm about to suplex a bear. Here's the bear. Yeah, I got a giant teddy bear. Actually, I've had one. Oh, 1, 2, 3, ding, ding, ding. How do you feel? Okay, guys. So how is your day? Yeah, I can't say it. How has your day been going? Mine has been going pretty well. I got a wrestling video up on YouTube right now. I was posting some videos on Twitter saying like it's gonna be here in about an hour or two, but it's already up now, so yeah. Me and Simon earlier today, we freaking went sledding and snowboarding. Not snowboarding a lot, but sledding mostly. There's our stuff. Wait a minute. Did Simon take his stuff? Don't know. Oh, there's the side of a house. Did he take his stuff? Come on, focus on the stuff outside, not the stuff inside. Focus. Focus. There we go. I feel like he took his stuff to the right spot. I don't think he did. I don't know, guys. So yeah, I was just about to check on the stuff, like everything. So let's go do that. Oh my god. Alright, so here is my jacket I used. Oh, that's okay, I guess. It's a little on the damp side. So here's Simon's gear right here. Boom. Mine. So let's check on mine. I laid it like, ooh, yes, it's warm. Well, the fur part, but this part is like a fabricy stuff. Yes. Well, that's warm. Let's check on, I believe Simon's still on. Yes. Well, he's a little damp on the knee, but that doesn't matter. Oh. Uh-oh. Kind of a problem there. Let's hope the inside is dry. Oh, I knew it. The inside matters more than the outside. I was about to ask. Yeah, I'm going to flip this over for him. I'll wait a little bit more. I'm going to flip everything over so the other side gets dry. So let's just flip this over. Oh god. I'll flip that over. I bet this side is, oh god, that's wet. There's a wet spot. Yeah, that's still wet. That's flipped over already. So I'll flip this over. Boom. Done. Probably can move that. We can move this. Boom. There we go. So I flipped everything over now for able to dry and all that. I think it's safe to lay this down. Oh, my green and black jacket. Wait, is that black? That's gray. This is blue, all blue. I'm just gonna lay this down too, just in case. So yeah, ooh, the gloves. These are still a little damp. I bet it's gonna be damp inside. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Might put that in the fireplace if we're ever going back out. I guarantee that his are, yep. Okay, so yeah, everything is flipped over. When we're ready, we're just gonna have to put our gloves in front of the fireplace. More likely the insides, like, oh yeah, I remember this stick. I shot a BB into it. That's a BB right there. That was from my BB gun as well. If you haven't seen that, the Vlogmas part 2, because part 1 was, part 1, that Vlogmas was Christmas Eve. Yeah, here it is. Here's my gun. Boom, shakalaka laka boom. Well, this isn't really a BB gun. I shot that BB gun actually was from my dad's. This gun is actually still mine, but it's a powerful gun. It's like, the kick would be, if it was on camera, it'd be like, yeah. I love shooting that gun though. It's super fun. Simon has the same kind. Yeah. It's crazy. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. Don't believe me. This is a BB gun with a scope though. Scope caps. As you can see, BB pump, pellets. Yeah, this part's the pump. Look at this. Come on. Hang on, guys. There we go. Alright, look at this, guys. So there's the pump here. There you go. It looks like a shotgun. My first thought of this was a shotgun. I don't know why. Shotguns have like the most kick in the world. It's like crazy. Oh, why would I think that? Okay, so yeah, it snowed out this morning. I was like, oh my god, it is snowing. Holy crap. Like, no joke. I just woke up. I heard like thumping noise, which my dad was like putting wood on our porch. And I woke up to that sound. I'm like, because I sleep right next to a window. And then I went over, well, I bent up. I opened the curtain. And all I saw out there, well, it was like over there in that area. But, I was like, oh, holy crap, it's freaking snowing. So yeah, I was like, oh my god, it's Bootsy! Hi, Bootsy Boots. You can hear her meowing. Ready? Oh, she has snow on her. Are you cold? Oh my god. It is freaking wet. Right there. Oh my god. She keeps meowing. I'm afraid she's really cold. Hang on, Boots, I'll be back. Okay, run. I'll be back, guys. She's still here? My dad was like, does she have any food? So that's what I'm trying to check on. Loud. Hi, Boots. You don't have food. I'll be back, girl. Yeah, I'm gonna get some food. Let's go. Oh, now she comes up. We don't have a lot of food in here. Alright, come on, Boots. Come on, girl. Here's some food. Eat up. I'm sorry. Don't starve to death. That would not be good. I hate leaving our cats out. Come on. Click. There it goes. Alright, bye, girl. I hate to leave our cats outside during the winter, like cold. Oh. Like, the heat is fine, because, like, they can be all warm and stuff. They can get cozy. Oh. Yeah, they can. Oh, God. I just hate to leave our cats outside during the cold. It's like an inch of snow, like no joke, like an inch. But still, somehow me and Simon managed to be able to... Oh my God! Look at that, guys! Oh! The weeds or grass is all frozen. There we go. There's a better one. God. Oh my God. Oh, jeez. I just looked down and talking. I'm like, oh my God, that's crazy. Okay, so as I was saying, we just somehow managed to be able to fit sledding and snowboarding in. It was crazy. If we ever go back out, I'm not going to vlog it because, like, snow, I will have gloves on, and it'll suck, and I'll have no place to put my camera, and it'll probably get snowed on. Yeah, still snowing. Craziness, guys. Craziness. Hey, God. Okay, guys, we are warping past time. We did not go sledding or snowboarding. So, yeah. I feel like I'm going to end the vlog here. So, like I always say, let's do this properly. Hey everybody, Nicholas here, and I hope you enjoyed that vlog. I had fun making it. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you liked this vlog. The description for me and Simon's channel and Twitter is in the description below. And apart from that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, I'm doing this part of the video for the end. So this one is called Wrestling Montage. So I don't know. So yeah, cue the music. Might be dubstep, might be whatever. But cue the music now.
Bye.